Alright, today I'm going to show you about a little bit on installation of these hoop steps, Nerf bars. To get into my Tacoma, I ordered these on eBay. They cost around 130 bucks, pretty cheap and pretty simple to put together. I have my truck raised about 3 inches with a lift, so it makes it a little bit challenging for my wife to get in and out, so she wanted these bars placed so we can actually use the truck when we go places. So this is what the finished product looks like, and I'm just going to show you kind of briefly how it looks on setup. Bar comes, you get 2 bars pretty much, 1 unit. You're then given 3 leaflets, 2 which look the same with 2 holes, and you've got one with just 1 hole. This one goes towards the front of the truck, this one is the middle and back of the truck. There's pre-drilled holes in each of the portions of the bar, 2 which corresponds to the curved portions, here and here, here and here, and here and here. They're all pretty much the same all along the bar. You do have to pay special attention because the one set of holes is much closer to the edge of the bar, which that one's maybe about 1 inch. And then on the other end, it's about 5 or 6 inches from the end. So that helps you with knowing where placement is going to be. So you're given a packet that I just knocked out of some bolts and screws. It's pretty straightforward. You have 1 pin, 1 washer, and 1 screw. They go together. 1 washer, 1 pin, 1 screw. You load them up. They're pretty much all the same size for all the holes here and here. Now, the mounting on the truck is pretty straightforward. The truck already has some pre-drilled holes. So now we're going to go underneath the truck. And you can see underneath, I'm now underneath the truck, you've got holes with pins or little devices inside here and here. You just unscrew these. These are pre-threaded holes, and you're going to be mounting them onto these. So there's 2 here in the middle. 2 towards the back. I don't know if I can find it with my camera. There's the... Sorry, we're towards the front here. So that's the one towards the front. Forgot I changed the truck around. And then your two in the back. Right there. And that's it. You load the truck. Once you get the bars tightened, and you're all set to go. Send me a message if you have any questions. The whole thing takes about 20 minutes each bar to install. All right, bye-bye.